Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Task Manager right now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Once it appears, make sure to click More Details if you see a compact window, because the uptime info is hidden otherwise. You will then switch to the Processes tab to confirm system load and identify Explorer or other processes linked to Uptime display. This first step locates the live elements you may need to pause or restart and sets up the workspace for deeper actions. Once done, move to the Performance tab to see the uptime counter. This tells you how long the system has been running. If you need the counter to stop updating visually, right-click Windows Explorer in Processes and choose Restart. That refreshes the shell and can reset visible timing. For a deeper change, open Services or run msconfig to disable or tweak services that auto-reset system timers, because stopping those services prevents immediate uptime changes after a restart. To finish, restart any affected processes to apply your changes. You should see the Performance tab reflect the new state. If uptime still updates and you intended to halt it, perform a full reboot only after saving work, because some service changes require a restart. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer for service errors and confirm that you modified the correct service. If a disabled service breaks functionality, re-enable it and restart. Then consider restoring a system point as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.